Okay, so I don't see any hands. Not okay. One or two not here. All right. So should we have a quick name count? That means you'll say only your first name and class. So if I am in class 8, for example, if I am in class 8, I'll say Vivek 8th or class 8. That's it. No Singh, no Atray, no Sharma, no Panchkula, nothing. That's it. Okay? Start.
Abhinav 11th.
Abhinav 11th.
Anmol 11th.
Stop. Repeat हो गया तो. Okay, yes.
Anmol 11th. Harsh 11th.
Andeshat class 10th.
Himani class 10th.
Avni 10th.
Satyavrat 10th.
Avni 12th.
Namrata 12th.
Aman 12th.
Yashdeep 10th. Madhav class 10th.
Nimish 10th.
Manav
Shall
class
you say
12th.
it again?
Nimish 10th.
Yeah.
Manav class 12th.
Devam class 11th. Naman class 11th.
Good. That's good. Sharp. This is a kind of style that we follow in MBA and all also. Okay. And other top companies, corporates, introduction is like this one. Okay. Now you are school students who are going on to the real life, so you have to prepare yourself mentally. Real life doesn't mean this is not real life. This is also real life. But school is school, and life is after school life is different. One of the key things that you have to know is what is success. What is success? Okay. So you all have your own thoughts about success. We think in school that of course marks are success. I got lots of marks, I am successful. But success is beyond marks. You understand what I'm saying? Success is beyond only marks. There is a lot of other things that are different from marks. So one of the things I wrote in, I have a book or two, I will share one of the books with you later, and it's called Finding Success Within. Where do we find success? We find it within ourselves. Not in the market, not in the stadium, not in the school, not in the office. External success is not success. You might think that lots of money and power and fame is success, but it's not. It is not complete. And it's all temporary. Okay? So we have to know the meaning of success from within. And the quote in that book is, life is not about marks. Life is about making a mark. Okay? So you can clap for that. Because it's a good quote. It's a good quote. Okay? So what is making a mark? What does it mean? Who will tell me? Making a mark. Make a mark. To make a mark. Who will tell me what it means?
Basically, leaving an impact, your own impact on
Exactly. Leaving an impact. Your own impact on whatever you do. In Hindi we say, or Urdu we say, Asardar Zindagi. This is Urdu actually. Asardar Zindagi. A life which matters. A life which matters. Which makes a mark. Which leaves an impact, as you said. So that kind of life is what we need to lead. And if we want to lead that life, then we have to do more than just get marks. We have to be complete personalities. And to be complete personalities, we need to have what all, apart from studies, what else should be there in our lives? Yes?
7.
7 C's. What are the 7 C's? You heard them last time from me.
Yes.
What are they? Just go through them loudly. Last time
Courage.
you heard them from me. Huh? Here are the same notes. Okay, go ahead.
Courage, meditation, character, creativity, compassion, contentment, and calmness.
Very good. But meditation is not C.
Cheerfulness.
Cheerfulness. Okay. Yeah, so these are the C's which will help you to be successful. But apart from, these are the qualities which will help you to be successful. But apart from money and marks and power and fame, we are looking for inner happiness, joy. Okay? Wherever we are. Ultimately, you know what is the rat race? Who heard of the rat race?
Sir, in which all people are doing the same work.
And running towards where?
Job and marks.
We don't know where we are running. We are not aware also where we are running. Everybody is running, so we are also running. That's what people are doing. Teaching and studying as a student is a very higher level of human activity, let me tell you. Teaching and receiving education is a higher level of human activity. There are many lower levels of human activity. Making money is not a very high level of human activity. Okay. Saving the environment is high level. Helping the elderly, old people is a high level activity. Yes? If I make $100 and I want to make 1,000 and then I want to make 1 lakh and then I want to make 10 lakh, it's not a very, there's nothing great about it according to me. We may be from business family. We may be, yeah, you can pick it up. When we play cricket, we drop the catch at times. तब भी उठानी पड़ती है बॉल. अब तब बड़ी मुश्किल होती है. Everybody is looking at why did you drop the catch? अभी तो कोई problem नहीं. So we have to basically find that something beyond all this. So you have to expand your horizon. Horizon क्या होता है? Horizon होता है where the sun sets and rises. That's the horizon. You have to expand your horizon, which means that you have to be more multi-dimensional. Unidimensional versus multi-dimensional, you understand? Unidimensional means my chemistry आती है मुझे, chemistry, which is fine. आप chemistry teacher तो नहीं है ना? क्या पढ़ाते हैं? What do you teach?
I teach mathematics, business studies.
ठीक है. Chemistry वालों को मजाक उड़ा सकते हैं. Even if it's your favorite subject, it is not the only thing in life. Even for mathematics is not the only thing. There is life beyond mathematics. Okay? General awareness and general knowledge is one of the things. GK. So Dr. Vivek Atray will be talking to you about newspaper reading and all. But ultimately, where does it lead? This newspaper reading leads to what? It leads to awareness of life itself. So tomorrow, if you have to give a speech like I am giving you, short speech, you can give a speech about anything under the sun. एक कहावत है, is saying anything under the sun. You can know anything under the sun. You have to speak about motorcycles, you know a little bit. Solar energy, you know a little bit. Sh.Vivek Jaiswal, you know a little bit. Animal. क्या है animal? क्या है animal? Movie. You know a little bit about the animal. So you are multi-dimensional. Okay, last point here because Dr. Atray will take over. You have to leave at 2, right?
Yes, sir.
I also have to leave shortly. So, how many of you watched Sam Bahadur, the film? How many of you are from defense families? Army, Air Force, Navy, okay. Now, Sam Bahadur is a film about Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. Okay, Manekshaw की spelling देख लेना. Field Marshal Manekshaw. We have to have role models. When we are in school, we have to have a role model. Your role model could be somebody who is only 2 years older than you. It's okay. Could be someone who's a junior tennis player. Or a topper. He's your elder brother, sister, somebody, friend. He's your role model, that's fine. But the universal role models are like Dr. Abdul Kalam, Sam Manekshaw. These are universal role models. They're timeless. Mahatma Gandhi, उसका कोई limit नहीं, right? उनका. There is no limit to the role model impact. So look up to people and find inspiration from them. We can't be thinking only of the next exam. That is not your life. Raise the level of your thoughts above this building and your school building and your home building. See the overall perspective of life. Where am I going? What is my awareness level? GK is only one of the things, but it's an important thing. What about communication skills? Writing, reading, listening, speaking, all are communication. Listening is also communication skill. Now you're listening to me, it's a communication skill. Speaking is a communication skill, writing also, reading also. So communication, GK, confidence, personality, a confident personality. Then skills. Skills could be technical. physics, chemistry, you're very good, engineering. There is a word called dexterity. Dexterity word difficult word है. इसका meaning बाद में देख लेना. But basically it means you are able to do things with your hands. You do things with your hands. I'm not good at it. You know, assembling, even wrapping a gift. I'm very bad at wrapping a gift. I used to wrap the copies of our children when they were small. अभी copy wrap होती है, cover होती है. कौन करता है? खुद करते हो ना?
Yes.
पहले when you were small, then your mama used to do it. I was very bad at it. My wife is very good at it. I am good at speeches. She's good at wrapping the copies. Covering. No, she is also good at speech. She's the principal of Toddlers World School. You know that?
Yes.
My wife runs the Toddlers World School in Sector 10 public school. You're not eligible for it because they are very small children. So lastly, have some inspiration in life. Expand your horizon. Think wider, deeper. You are now old enough to do anything. You are outstanding at your own age. You can be running a business. People say start coding in class 6. Some of you may have already started coding. It's okay, fine. But there are things beyond coding. There are things beyond that. And sports, if you're not in sports, pick up one sport even now. Even now. I would tell Ma'am also, Vivek also, he plays. So we should play sports. And sports will give you that energy when you come back to your class or your work or your studies or whatever else. Okay? Any questions for me? अभी सोचने का टाइम नहीं मिला. थोड़ी देर में. Next time you can. Mama allows you on Instagram? Not allowed. Huh? Allowed. You can see some of my videos talking about these things. Only. LinkedIn पे तो नहीं होंगे आप अभी बच्चे हो. When you go to college, you join LinkedIn. Okay? First year of college, you join LinkedIn. School में you don't need to join LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional network. But right now Instagram is okay. But useful things should be consumed. ठीक है, I think Vivek, please take over. And all the best to you. We'll meet again. I'll probably come to your school sometime. This is our academy where we prepare